This is Gerhard from SAP Product Engineering, and here's my summer highlight in manufacturing. Is communication sometimes a pain point when you have issues with a product? Do you wish your problem-solving processes run more smoothly? Wouldn't it be a big win to collaborate within your team and even with your suppliers in one tool? In August, we launched SAP Quality Issue Resolution, an interactive platform to support you with solving and preventing quality issues. SAP Quality Issue Resolution uses the popular 8D methodology for a team-oriented problem-solving approach. This methodology comprises of 8 problem-solving steps. Define team, describe problem, define containment actions, define root causes. Here, you can use, for example, the 5 whys methodology for the root cause analysis. In step 5, you describe the planned corrective actions. In step 6, you document implemented corrective actions. In step 7, you describe preventive actions. And last but not least, you congratulate your team in step 8. Starting point of the 8D problem-solving process with SAP Quality Issue Resolution is a quality notification in SAP S/4HANA Quality Management. From the action box in the notification, you can trigger creation of a new 8D. Information such as material number, defect details, and supplier are transferred from the quality notification in SAP Quality Issue Resolution. In other words, the problem resolution process is moved from a quality notification in SAP S/4HANA to an 8D on SAP Business Technology Platform. For now, we support 2 different scenarios. First one is the quality engineer receives a customer complaint, for instance via email, creates a quality notification of type Q1 customer complaint in the SAP S/4HANA system, and starts the 8D process from the action box. Second scenario is the quality engineer wants to raise a non-conformity against the supplier. For this purpose, they create a quality notification of type Q2 complaint against supplier and press the request solution from supplier button in the action box. The supplier quality contact is notified and can start running the 8D. In quality issue resolution, the 8D team uses the Manage Problem-Solving Processes app to determine the causes of defects and to define tasks to eliminate them. The app opens a list of 8Ds according to the applied filters. A step overview chart shows the step statuses of the selected 8Ds at a glance. This and the status details on the object page of each 8D make it easy to identify the next due activity in the 8D process. The object page of a particular 8D guides the team through the 8 steps in a structured way. Commands and the built-in email integration can be used for collaboration with internal and external stakeholders. For example, for sending the 8D report to your customer or getting notified about the status changes and request reviews for supplier 8Ds. Team members can create attachments like photos, emails, or PDF files to capture additional information about the quality problem and to document its resolution. In summary, SAP Quality Issue Resolution enables a consistent, transparent, and standardized handling of problems based on 8D methodology in a user-friendly framework. You want to know more? Stay tuned for my blog post and check out the SAP S/4HANA Cloud community. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you next time.